Welcome back to Car Warrior 2025, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore an American classic, the GMC Vintage Pickup. These trucks are more than just vehicles, they're icons of strength, durability, and timeless design. Whether you're a collector or just appreciate old-school craftsmanship, this review is for you. Let's dive in. Exterior. The GMC Vintage Pickup stands as a testament to rugged American engineering. With its bold front grille, classic round headlights, and boxy yet elegant design, this truck embodies the golden era of pickup trucks. The chrome bumpers, wide stance, and steel body panels give it a commanding presence on the road. Many models, especially from the 1950s to the 1980s, featured wooden bed floors, adding a touch of craftsmanship that's rarely seen today. The two-tone paint schemes and signature badging make these trucks unmistakable. Owners love customizing them with modern rims, LED headlights, and air suspension while maintaining that vintage appeal. Performance. Under the hood, GMC trucks from this era packed serious power. Depending on the year and model, you'd find engines like the legendary V6, inline-six, and small-block V8s. These powertrains delivered strong torque, reliable performance, and a deep, throaty exhaust note that car enthusiasts adore. While not as fast or fuel-efficient as modern pickups, their mechanical simplicity makes them easy to work on. Many owners upgrade these classics with fuel injection systems, disc brakes, and even modern transmissions to improve drivability without sacrificing authenticity. Interior. Inside, the GMC Vintage Pickup keeps things simple yet functional. The bench seats, metal dashboard, and large steering wheel reflect a time when trucks were built for hard work. While basic by today's standards, the interiors featured durable materials like vinyl, leather, and steel. Some models came with optional AM radios, heater controls, and wood-grain dash inserts, offering a bit of comfort. Today, many owners restore these cabins with custom upholstery, modern gauges, and upgraded sound systems, blending nostalgia with modern convenience. Safety features. Back in the day, safety wasn't a major selling point for trucks, but GMC still incorporated reinforced steel frames and durable body construction. However, early models lacked seat belts, airbags, and crumple zones, features that became standard in later years. Many restorers now equip these trucks with power brakes, three-point seat belts, roll bars, and even modern airbag systems to enhance safety without compromising their vintage charm. If you're planning to daily drive one, these upgrades are highly recommended. Prices and market value. The value of GMC vintage pickups varies widely based on model year, condition, and modifications. A well-maintained original model from the 1950s or 1960s can fetch anywhere from $20,000 to $60,000. Highly restored or modified versions can exceed $100,000 at auctions. Project trucks, needing full restoration, can still be found for under $10,000, but restoration costs can add up quickly. Whether you're looking for a daily cruiser or a showpiece, the GMC Vintage Pickup is a solid investment in automotive history. That wraps up our deep dive into the GMC Vintage Pickup, a true American classic that continues to turn heads. Whether you love them for their iconic design, raw power, or nostalgic charm, these trucks hold a special place in automotive history. What's your favorite classic pickup? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car content here at Car Warrior 2025. Until next time, keep driving with passion.